Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. In this video, you're gonna learn why is it very important to stick to your trading plan, especially your stop loss. Because recently I took a trade in Granules. Not recently, 3 months back. It was closer to my stop loss for more than 1.5 months, and I had to hold on to that trade. And eventually, it paid off. It is absolutely necessary that you stick to your stop loss because normally what people do is they just wait 5 to 10 points away from the stop loss and they just exit it. So this mistake is especially done by a lot of traders. You have to avoid this mistake because this could cost us a lot of profitable trades, just like what I'm going to explain you now. So before I explain you everything in detail, just make sure to like this video, and also if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And also just want you to remind that the offer for all my courses ends by this Sunday, that is on November 6th. Please make sure to click the pinned comments link and make sure to subscribe to whatever courses you like. Thank you so much. Hello guys, so the stock is none other than Granules India. Okay, so basically this is a very perfect pattern, and it was a very good consolidation from the bottom. If you look at that, the Granules has been on a breakout from this huge pattern, and again there is a very good consolidation. Came across this pattern 3 months back. I also posted this on our community, and guess what happened? This is a very beautiful pattern, isn't it? So basically it passes all the points, right? It has all the merits to go for a trade. For example, it is a consolidation, a good breakout from this with a good volume, and there was even a try, and there was kind of a red candle, and then again everything has been, all the bears has been killed here because of the extreme bullish green candle. Okay, so this is when I got very bullish, and I thought, okay, let me just deploy 40 lakhs. And what happened next? Let me just show you. Okay, this is exactly when I posted it on my community as well, and let me just show you what happened. So initially this is when I put my stop loss below this area. Okay, this trend line, this was my stop loss, and what happened? It went down, it took huge red candle. Okay, and again it went down the next day. Okay, and the ones who kept a stop loss of below the trend line, every stop loss got hit, and anyone who had a stop loss of 5% or 6%, it got hit. So this is why I suggest you always keep a very huge stop loss. Not a very huge stop loss, I mean certain stop loss where these institutes will try to hit your stop loss, and it's our duty to keep our stop loss in a way that it's quite hard for them to reach to those prices. Okay, so for me, I felt that okay, below this trend line, if it is going below that, probably it is going down and testing 220 levels again. That is my assumption, and if it is forming a huge red candle with a strong close, I will definitely exit. That was my plan. Okay, so my my stop loss was like somewhere around 8 to 9%. 826 is my buy order. Okay, so this is 17th of August, so this is my buy order. I bought around 40 to 42 lakhs, I guess, of this share. I had to wait. So basically this trade was quite time consuming, and also it was testing my patience for sure, because my allocation was quite huge, which is like 40 lakhs. And basically this is when I updated on my community as well that okay, because few of my members also entered in this trade and they were confused as to what should be done. So I mentioned that I have taken this trade too. If the bottom trend line is broken, I will exit out of the trade with a stop loss. I mean my stop loss would be hit and I will be out of this trade. So what happened was I set an alert below this trend line. It's not showing now because right now I'm on a replay mode. Probably when I exited, you will be able to see that alert, which is still not hit. It was really testing my patience because it was like around this trend line for a very very long time. Every day I was checking this, and when the stock goes up, I would be a little bit I feel relieved, and then again it comes back to this trend line, tests my patience, gap down, but again there will be a recovery, So my understanding is that only if it is going below and closes strong, I will exit out of the trade, not during the intraday. Okay, and I'm okay with extending my stop loss as well. Okay, it could extend up to 10% or 12%, but I have to make sure that it is closing below it. Here, this is the date, 20th of September, I guess. Yeah, I even remember the date. This is when things got bad, and I was like closely watching, and again in intraday it got recovered and closed above the trend line. So this is when almost 50% or 60% of the people who entered here would have exited out of the trade, and they would have they would have lost their patience, and because when you invest a lot of money by this time, 17th of August, and again by it's been 1 month and you have not made any money, correct? So this is when most of the retailers would have exited, and again this is when again another bad day. This is again when a lot of people would have exited in the intraday, thinking that okay, this is going to go bad. So I did not exit it because it did not close strong below the trend line, right? So I just waited. What happened at the end of what is this date, which is 30th of September? Almost after 1.5 months, my patience paid off, and I was in a profit. Look at this huge bullish move, and look at this, and again wonderful consolidation, and I didn't exit. I was patiently waiting, and again there is a breakout, correct? So yeah, I did not exit fully. I exited this month, 11th of November, almost after 3 months, only half. Okay, I did not exit. Only 20 lakhs worth of shares I have exited. Right now I'm still holding 20 lakhs worth of stocks still, and if you look at this, check this alert which I've set, it is still not hit. So if this is hit, like let's say it has gone down and it is closing here, I would have exited and I wouldn't be regretting. So this is like a part of the trading. But what I want you to learn from this trade is that if you stay honest to your strategy and your plan, things will go your way, and you will find success. And this is one true example, because I did not exit no matter what. It was testing my patience multiple days. Okay, and I'm very sure that even a few of my JFT members exited out of this trade. Okay, and because they had kept a small stop loss, which is fine if you want to risk only 5%, and that is completely fine. But I usually keep a stop loss where it is very hard for them to reach. When I say them, who are they? It's generally the institutes, right? They will try to test your patience, and they will try to pull you out of the trade, and they will just grab all the liquidity and then take the prices to new levels. So this is what they do. Every breakout pattern, it is not going to be smooth sailing. There is going to be a lot of there's going to be a lot of struggles in every breakout pattern, because if it is easy, everyone would do it, right? So yeah, this part, it was hard for me even after trading for more than 5 years. This is the area, it was very hard. I was checking it every day, and this is how it is. That is why only 10% or even 5% of the people make money in stock market. And I'm still holding Granules. So far I have exited 20 lakhs, which is I guess around 2,93,000 of profit. I have realized it, and probably around 2,80,000 or 90,000 I'm still in profit with realized profit. Probably if it reaches the all-time high, probably I'll exit. Okay, that is my target. And because in weekly it is looking bullish, and I want to make the most out of it. And look at this, in the previous breakout in the monthly, it has gone up very nicely, and it has been consolidating for more than 1.5 years, I guess. Yeah, from November 20 it has been consolidating. It's been 2 years, correct? So Yeah, I do hope that it will touch Granules. I mean, it will touch the all-time high. Please don't take any fresh entries. Probably we had another opportunity during this breakout, so wait for some kind of a consolidation again here and then take a breakout. Okay, so if you want to trade stocks like this, so basically I posted it again on my JFT community here. If you look at it, Granules, they people made money, because after this point I was very sure that the consolidation part is over and it's gonna go up, because that is why you are part of the community, right? So this is what I do. I post charts at the at the best place as possible. Right after the breakout, I posted it again. People made a lot of money. So probably look at this, 3,800, 23,200, so something like this. If you want to be a part of this community, feel free to join. The offer is still going on. A lot of offers are going on for all the courses. You just make sure to enroll to all the courses by this November, because this offer will not, there won't be any other offer for at least next 1 year. So make sure to make most use of it, and I'm sure you will recover all the course fee. I'm very confident about that, because all the stock picks that I have posted it on YouTube channel, they had performed really well, and you can make trades based on that and make profit and reinvest in my courses. So that's what I suggest always. You don't have to use your money. You can trade with my analysis and make money and then reinvest on my course. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience. I hope you learned something out of this trade, because this is how you learn practically, right? Being a part of the community, this is how you learn. Just the courses are not going to help you, right? So that is why I've created this community, and when you learn practically taking trades like this is how you improve as a trader. Small things like this, when I showed you what I showed you on Granules India, we do this on a variety of stocks, and we try to capture all the moves. So if you want to learn practically, consider joining our ultimate trading membership, which is exclusively for equity. And once you get a hang of directional trading, then you can opt for the option course. So thank you so much for watching this video with patience, and the next video is going to be a potential stock video. Please comment yes if you want a video on that. Okay, so thank you so much.